Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about the most important life-saving equipment. Obviously, this is the lifeboat, and this is the lifeboat seating arrangement. In this video, we'll talk about how to start, onload, release, and all the safety features, food and ration.
Need to start, right? Yeah. If you don't know how to start, again everything is finished. No use of this. So how to start? We have instruction here. The switch right now it's on off, right? Yeah. You can either use number 1, number 2, or both. It should start in any condition.
First, we need to select the battery in position and then blow the engine for 10 seconds and then start. Then it will start. And for with this lever, you can turn the ship ahead, astern, either east side. The most important thing is your ship is the most safest place. If you cannot survive in the ship, then you just board to the lifeboat. Either it's safe for you to stay in the ship. Okay.
Working.
This compass
Compass lights showing.
okay.
So that is not activated anymore. This will check out, okay? If it is waterborne, there will be no lock. So you are good to go.
Okay.
Just pull this one first one, and then second one. Pull. That's it. But in case, let's say if the soil is too much, that time if your boat is down, you cannot do anything. In that case, little bit of water out of water, let's say 1 meter, half a meter, the body is not touching by the water, then you have to remove it manually, take it out, this pin, and then same procedure. This one first, second one this, but that one is for emergency. If the water is not calm and quiet, because if your painter will be released automatically. You see that loop? If you pull that, your painter will walk around the vessel. To stop that one, we have air system. You can see this air pressure gauge. Yes, sir. This is fresh air supply. Okay, we have 3 bottles. There, if you open, you can see that 3 valves. You just have to open all 3 of these. This can give you support for at least 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
Positive pressure, so the air will go outside. Positive pressure inside, outside air will go. From outside nothing can come inside because you have positive pressure inside. Okay, so this is the main purpose of having this air cylinder. This is not oxygen. Okay, this is air cylinder.
10 minutes we can.
10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes we can.
The air supply, if it is filled properly, 280 probably, 180 probably, 180 to 200. If it is filled properly, 10 minutes this support can give. Anything else?
This yeah, big one.
Okay. I was looking for this. Okay, for this one, we have sprinkler also. Okay. Why do we need sprinkler?
In case of fire.
Fire. Okay. If it is fire, you have sprinkler. It's like your spray. While we are using this fire hose, right? We get some spray.
Yes.
These also have the same arrangement. It works again with the engine. If the engine is stopped, even if you open, nothing is going to happen. So you have to start your engine for any case. And if it is fire, you open this also, you will get the sprinkler system on. And that will give you protection from the heat, from the fire.
So only this
For that you need to close all these, okay? If something is open, you will get water inside also. This is the bulb, okay? It's not plugged in properly, water might come in. Even though we have a ball inside, just to plug that on, but there will be still always water coming, okay?
Water comes in, there is a bilge.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why we have this one.
No, we have a bilge pump also.
Handle.
Bilge
Okay.
for bilge one.
Can you show the bilge pump, please? Just same like your hydraulic that you are refilling, no?
Hydraulic oil pump.
Same one. Just up and down, up and down.
This
Yeah.
one for emergency steering, huh?
Yes.
This is the handle.
Yes. So you put inside and then port starboard. Signal. We have hand flare as well. Okay. 2, 4, 6. 2
Smoke,
4 parachute.
parachute, and,
And,
6 hand player.
Okay, please. Radio check, port satellite board.
Please, radio check, port side, flight mode.
For the radar activation. You activate it, but if there is no vessel around, it's of no use, right? You will just consume the battery. If you can see some vessel from your boat, let's say, oh, that is the vessel. You can see from here. Okay, now you can
Activate
raise as much as possible. It's a telescopic thing. You can just pull down. Okay, and on the boat, highest point, mount it, activate it. How you know it is activated? Some